Everyone talks about programming. But what is programming?
Don't worry, I'll explain programming in a very simple way. Programming means giving clear instructions to a computer, so it knows what to do and how to do it. Without programming, computers cannot work on their own. Programming is what makes apps, games, websites, and machines work. Computers understand only two things, 0 and 1. This is called binary language. Programming languages translate our instructions into zeros and ones so computers can understand them. Different programming languages are used for different tasks. Just like we use different languages to talk to each other. Now, do you understand programming?
Yes. Programming is how we tell computers what to do.